Hello, welcome back. This is lecture 7 of our lecture series on basics of computer networking. If you haven't watched lecture 6, please check the link in the description box below. In this video, we will discuss about network security. According to Surfshark.com, data breaches rise globally in Q3 of 2022 by 70% higher than in Q2 of the same year. A total of 108.9 million were breached. For this reason, network security is always going to be a top priority to administrators. Network security is an integral part of computer networking, regardless of whether the network is in a home with a single connection or is a corporate with thousands of users connected to the internet. Network security must consider the environment, the tools, and the requirements of the network. It must be able to secure data while still allowing for quality of service that users expect from the network. Generally, securing a network involves protocol, technologies, devices, tools, and techniques in order to protect the data and mitigate threats. Next, we will discuss about the network security threats. Threat vectors may be internal or external. Many external network security threats originate from the internet. There are several common external threats. Let us discuss few of them. Virus, worm, and Trojan horse. These contain malicious software or code running on user devices. Spyware and adware. These are type of software which can be downloaded from the internet for free and installed on a user device. This software then secretly collect information about the user. Zero-day attacks. It is an attack that exploits a security weakness that the vendor or developer may be unaware of or on process to remediate. Denial of service attack. These attacks slow or crash applications and processes on a network device. Data interception and theft. These attacks capture private information from an organization's network. Identity theft. This attack steals the login credential of a user in order to access private data. It is equally important to consider internal threats. There have been many studies that show that the most common data breaches happen because of internal users of the network. This can be attributed to lost or stolen devices, accidental misuse by employees, even malicious employees. With the evolving of bring your own devices strategies, corporate data is much more vulnerable. Therefore, when developing a security policy, it is important to address both internal and external security threats. Next, we will discuss about security solutions. No single solution can protect the network from the variety of threats that exist. For this reason, security should be implemented in multiple layers, using more than one security solution. If one security component fails to identify and protect the network, the other may succeed. A home network security implementation is usually basic. You can implement it on end devices as well as the point of connection to the internet, and can even rely on contracted services from the internet service provider. There are basic security components for home or small office network. Let us discuss them. Antivirus and anti-spyware. These applications help to protect end devices from becoming infected with malicious software. Firewall filtering. Firewall filtering blocks unauthorized access into and out of the network. This may include a host-based firewall system that prevents unauthorized access to the end devices, or a basic filtering service on the home router to prevent unauthorized access from the outside world into the network. The network security implementation for a corporate network usually consists of many components built into the network to monitor and filter traffic. Ideally, all components work together, which minimize maintenance and improves security. Larger network and the corporate network use antivirus and anti-spyware. They use firewall filtering, but they also have other security requirements, such as dedicated firewall system. This provides more advanced firewall capabilities that can filter large amounts of traffic with more granularity. Access control lists, or ACL. These further filter access and traffic forwarding based on IP addresses and application. Intrusion prevention system, or IP. This identifies fast-spreading threats such as zero-day or zero-hour attacks. Virtual private networks. These provide secure access into an organization for remote workers, especially during the pandemic, and this trend will continue in the future. If you have any question, please use the comment section below. We will have a live session and we will explore the potential of Packet Tracer. To get updates, follow Lalibela Tech Facebook. Thank you and see you in the live session.